Please welcome once again Durre Fisher and Fahad Mustafa.
What an amazing performer, Kaifi. क्या बात है. अच्छा भाई, आगे बढ़ते हैं और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैटेगरीज अभी भी बाकी हैं. वो कौन सी है?
Before we move on, I was really looking forward to this category.
सेम है. व्यूअर्स चॉइस कैटेगरी मेरी भी पर्सनल फेवरेट है. कहीं तो आवाम का ओपिनियन मैटर करता है.
बिल्कुल, लेकिन मेरी एक्साइटमेंट सिर्फ ये कैटेगरी नहीं बल्कि ये स्पेशल अवार्ड है.
ऐसा ही है. मेरा भी बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली यही सोचना है इसके बारे में, इसीलिए मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गया हूँ. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, कहते हैं एन एक्टर्स जेन्युइन जर्नी अनफोल्ड्स व्हेन दे स्टेप ऑन स्टेज विद पर्पस.
आज हम जिनको सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं उनका करियर भी एक रोशन पर्पस की दास्तान है.
अपने इनक्रेडिबल बॉडी ऑफ वर्क के साथ शी ब्रोक द ग्लास सीलिंग्स मेनी टाइम बट जेंटली एंड ब्यूटिफुली. वो हमारी सीनियर भी हैं, हमारी दोस्त भी हैं, हमारी को एक्टर भी हैं, हमारी क्रिटिक भी हैं और हम सब की इंस्पिरेशन भी हैं.
मेरी पहली को एक्टर, मेरी डायरेक्टर, एनिमल्स राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट, स्टोरी टेलर, आवर नेशनल फॉरएवर स्वीटहार्ट. But before we honor this epic agent of positive change, I'd request Ms. Sara Sadiq, Marketing Manager, Unilever Pakistan, to please join us on stage to tell us more about this award.
I'm honored to announce the next special award, the Lux Change Makers Award. This award has been conceived by women for women to celebrate what we believe are Lux women. Women of great talent who have paved their unique path and in doing so have inspired millions of others to do the same or even better. Women who are beautiful inside and out and have been unapologetic about their convictions and have the strength to create change around them. A change that challenges the stereotypes of conventional female roles or create opportunities for fellow women to succeed. We have honored women whose spark has lit up our screen, transformed our fashion sensibilities, challenged the worldviews of those around them and inspired millions to embrace the substance of these Pakistani women, agents of change. आज भी हम ऐसे ही एक आइकॉन को recognize करने आए हैं. यहाँ खड़े होके I feel a lot of joy and excitement because I have the opportunity to express my unmatched admiration and that of millions of women, girls and men who have all felt this admiration in the hearts for this trailblazer. In defying the conventional image of what a leading lady should be with her unique style, इन्होंने पाकिस्तान की तमाम ख़वातीन को एक नए दौर की इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन का रोल दिखाया है. With her iconic performance, she may have been responsible for a record number of young female doctors in this country. ये वाहिद इंसान थी who could have stood up to the stern and somber Dr. Emmer and had all of us cheering behind her. As Sania, she was the life of the party and the iconic popularizing force behind some powerful dialogues and characters. Throughout her career, with her impeccable comic timing, enviable beauty, endearing charm and disruptive courage, she has upgraded the level of performance for anything she has ever touched. After making her mark as an actor, she has become a force to be reckoned with as a director and a producer. And she's using her passion to tell powerful stories with a unique lens and a courageous perspective, authentic at that. An activist for human rights, an advocate for the best that this industry has to offer, a fierce lover of animals, and a woman almost all Pakistani girls want to make their best friends. She's a true representation of everything that the Lux Change Maker Award aims to celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, the inspiring, the charming, the ever beautiful Lux Change Maker 2023, Marina Khan.